Paano mag-send ng money from coins.ph to GCash? So, open lang natin ang coins.ph app. And then, click lang natin itong portfolio. And then, click lang natin itong withdraw. Then, select cash out. And then, dito naman, scroll up lang natin hanggang sa makita natin ang e-wallets. And then, click lang natin itong view all options. And then, dito sa taas, search lang natin ang GCash. Then, click lang natin. And then, dito naman sa amount, lagay lang natin kung magkano yung gusto nating isend. And pwede din natin i-click tong max para ma-send natin lahat. So, as you can see, 490 lang yung pwede natin isend kasi may fee na 10 pesos. And make sure na nakaselect tong InstaPay. And then, click lang natin tong next. And then, dito naman, lagay lang natin yung GCash name and GCash number ng receiver. And then, click lang natin tong next. And then, dito naman, double check lang natin yung details. And then, click confirm. And then, verify lang natin. So, yun na-send na. Check lang natin sa GCash if na-receive na ba natin. So, yun na-receive na nga. Sana nakatulong itong video natin ngayon. And kung may tanong kayo, comment nyo lang sa baba and susubukan ko sagutin yan. And see you in the next one. Bye!